In this episode of Tony's Tips, we ask the question, what is a roof-mounted intake vent? Attic venting requires a balance between intake airflow and exhaust airflow. Typically, the intake vent is located under the soffit, while the exhaust vent is located near the roof peak. In some instances, however, soffit intake vents are not allowed, often by building code. So a vent must be positioned lower on the roof deck near the soffit to function as an intake. The arrangement can work well, except that the intake vent, being located low on the roof deck, is now exposed to additional heavy rain runoff accumulating on the roof deck above. Heavy rain hitting the roof deck and running down to the eaves gathers volume and can overwhelm some roof-mounted intake vents. This can spell disaster and costly repairs. One solution is the CSA-approved, Canadian-made SNOWVENTCO weatherproof intake vent, which incorporates a crafty, built-in rain deflector to deal with heavy weather hitting the roof deck above.